Greetings, my dear students. How are you? I hope you and your family members all are fine and perfect. My dear students, we all know some basic precautions to be taken to save ourselves from being infected. But we have to take care of we have to take care about some things, just as don't panic in these days and don't touch your eyes and mouth again and again, and every time you have to wash your hands with a sanitizer, and don't move outside to crowd places, and my dear students, don't travel unless necessary. These are some important and few instructions regarding this COVID-19, and you have to follow these instructions also. And my dear students, you all have to follow the guidelines given by the government regarding COVID-19. My dear students, these are some basic instructions you have to follow. And firstly, tell me, I hope you all have given your best in exams. Yes, and very soon you will get your results. My dear students, you all are aware about holidays homework, about your holidays, and today I am going to explain your maths holidays homework. My dear students, and first you have to design a crossword puzzle. I think this is very most popular game, and you all are enjoying this game. So you have to design a crossword puzzle in mathematical concept, using mathematical concept, and you can design this on a paper. So don't move outside for purchasing any material. This is very simple, and you can design on a very simple paper. Okay. And second, to prepare wind chimes by using mathematical shapes. Everybody know what is wind chimes, and you have to prepare this using mathematical shapes, and all shapes can be available in your homes. एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल, सब कुछ अवेलेबल है आपकी किचन में, आपके ड्राइंग रूम में. आप पेपर से भी मैथमेटिकल शेप्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, ठीक है ना. एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर विंड चाइम्स यूजिंग मैथमेटिकल शेप्स, ट्राइंगल, क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, oval. There are many mathematical 2D and 3 dimension shapes, and you have to use these shapes. Okay. And third point, quick technique to calculate square of any number. There are many techniques, quick techniques. Within a 5 or 6 seconds we can we can calculate the square of any number, but less than 100. Okay, 1 to 99. There are many techniques. You have to use this quick technique, and you have to find out the square of these numbers, and you have to write these numbers on paper also. Okay, you have to write the square of these numbers to paper, and everything should be clear. हर सब कुछ क्लियर होना चाहिए कि कैसे आपने क्विक टेक्निक यूज़ की, आपने 98 का 55 का इनका स्क्वायर निकाला. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट, write all identities on A4 sheet or chart. Whatever is available in your homes, a chart is available or A4 sheet. If both are not available, you can write on a paper, copy paper, ठीक है ना, simple paper. You have to write all the identities related to second chapter polynomial. There are many identities. I think about 15 identities. You have to write all these identities and remember all this. Okay, with conceptually. And my dear student, next, make a chart on different kind of quadrilaters. In 8 classes, everybody know how you all read these quadrilaters and shapes of types of quadrilaters, just as square, rectangle, kite, parallelogram. These are the some types of quadrilater. You have to make the diagram of these quadrilaters with property. You have to write all the properties of every quadrilater. Okay, this is very easy. And next, make 10 one-word question related to chapter 1 and chapter 2. I think you all did this chapter 1 and 2, number system and polynomial. Both are very easy chapter, and you have to prepare only 10. We can make more than 100 questions between in these two chapters, but you have to make only 10 one-word questions, and you have to write the answer of these questions also on a simple paper. Okay. And next, draw diagram of planktonic solid and draw their nets. My dear students, you have to draw the diagram of platonic solid and draw their nets. You know what are platonic solids? My dear students, the platonic solid is a regular convex polyhedron in 3-dimensional space with equivalent faces, composed of congruent convex regular polygonal faces. This is a platonic solid, and my dear students, there are only 5 platonic solids, and you have to write on paper what are the 5 platonic solids, and if in platonic solids the faces are regular, then why not 6? There are only 5. Why? What is the reason between these 5 platonic solids? Okay, you have to draw the diagram of these solids and draw their nets. Okay, just as cube and cuboid. Cube is a platonic solid but not cuboid, because every face is a regular faces. It is made of congruent faces. Okay, so cuboid is not. Just as tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, etc. Okay, you have to write the 5 platonic solids. Okay, and next, using lines obtain interesting 10 design and pattern. You have to use only lines on a paper, and you have to use these lines, draw 10 pattern or design. ठीक है, आपको lines का use करना है, और mathematical और any you have to draw pattern और design. आपको line को use करके pattern और design बनाने हैं. ठीक है, this is your activity and we want to show your talent. Investigate various aspects of number pi. My dear students, why pi is invented? What is the reason behind pi? And what is the relation between pi and circle? Pi का circle से क्या relation है? There are many historical aspects. So you have to write all these things. You have to firstly investigate and write on a paper. Okay, this is your holidays homework, and you have to revise chapter number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. First, second and 3. Okay, and my dear students, in the last I want to tell you one thing: stay home, stay safe. Okay, you have to follow these instructions, and you have to do all your work sincerely and honestly, and enjoy your holidays homework or your holidays also. Okay, bye.